Look, say, I don't even do the little chit chat. No. Big Ford on my waist, set the kit back. Put that pole in your face, let me get that. She fucking with me, I got big racks. She ain't fucking with you cause you big cow. On bitch ass nigga get bitch loud. I don't know little bitch. I don't fuck on that bitch, I won't love on that bitch. She can suck on my dick, I won't cuff on that bitch. Pull her hair, grab her neck and go rough on that bitch. If I feel it's a setup, I up on that bitch.
Oh, what's up, man? Got my GoPro back up and working right. Been a little minute since I've been on this thing, man. I gotta give y'all a little update on my bike build now. Give me a minute, I got y'all next video. It has been a minute. Y'all hop in the comment section, man. What y'all been up to, man? What's been going on in y'all life? How y'all been living during this COVID? If you're in school, how has the first 2 weeks or week been of school? However long it's been. Okay. Alright, but as of right now, heading to the bike shop. See if my wheel done. For the single speed I'm building up. So I can start doing them crazy combos. SE type combos. Yes, sir. I already know the swerve ain't crazy. Oh, it's just one. You feel me? Why is it drizzling? It looks clear. Yeah, I guess it's supposed to check the weather though anyway, so but I guess I didn't do that. So it is what it is. Oh man, all kind of glass. Brake knee pads. Hope we straight. Yeah, it's most definitely drizzling. Little bug. And I might not make it. No cap. Watch y'all feel a little cracked up. Nigga, that game no more messed up than what it is. You feel me? Oh, okay. That's what we doing now? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Your light is red, buddy. Yes, game mode. I ain't even gonna tell y'all how the rain feel like it's picking up. Oh my goodness. Well, that was that. God dog. Juice feel kind of good, kind of low key. Not too bad. Y'all hear it though, man. It ain't no Industry 9, but it sound good. We out. We love red lights. Hey, that up. Oh yeah? Fuck that up. I scared him in the Corolla. My girl hit the brakes for me. She must don't know. I am a professional. Not professional, a professional. Cut some tunes on real quick, man. Not TikTok. I know, I'm not really messing with that new young boy. New Cap. Some of that old Lucci. Yeah, sir. We got sidewalk closed. We're forced to hop in the road, sir. We're in the road. You know what that means. Swear some shit. Got the nice fellas working over here. All right, all right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Split it off, okay? Ooh. That wasn't it, okay? Big ass shades, don't you mind for? Yeah, man. Let's run that Webby real quick. Yes, okay, the Alfa Romeo. Let's get it.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Oh man, they're making a merge. Talk to me. That mean we got. Did I pick
Groove on those smash drugs on street party days. I'm a moron, ayy. Rip it to a song, but I put it back on. Let's smell that prawn and all that shit. Whipping in the brick game, really moving shit. The wheels on me, straight K-A-A. Shot so hard, my grades just drop out here, just giving no fucks. Uzi a bit with a brand new wrist card. Damn that bitch, be a say one, ayy. Brand new whip with a brand new fit and a brand new clip.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Oh. We. If you ain't got control, then what you doing? Talk to me nice, you feel me? Talk to me nice.
Warm.
Without that badge, you would beat in a half. Damn, buddy, road, what they fold you up, boy? Shit. So windy. You. Little slight work, you know. Talk to me nice. Finally doing the road, boy. It took them forever. Oh, there go that drizzling again. Oh, there go the rain. Oh, oh. My parts are not waterproof. Oh no. There then. But not that bad though. Fuck it. Fuck it. Oh, we're in the rain with it. We shouldn't be in the rain with it at all. I can't even look up. It drizzling with a nice little speed. Can't see. Only if I can see my face right now. My face. Eyes halfway open. Now I can make it down the road. I keep wanting to stop, but no, I can get there. And I'm trying to get it. Watch, I'm gonna get fucked over. Be stuck at the shop. Let my phone charged. Oh, got it. Nice little downhill. Gonna hit real quick. Slight showers. Oh, come on, buddy. You ain't gonna want a moped, boy. Too big for that thing, boy. Come on, all you caught. Hey, scooting. My boy scooting. Come here. Come here. All right, you got it. Oh, no longer drizzling. I repeat, it's no longer drizzling. I don't want to hear about him right now. For like no reason. We rolling. No, man. You walking the bike? No, man. In the rain? No, man. Slide in the rain, okay? Slide in the rain, okay? Oh, my AirPods in my ear and everything. Oh, that been water resistant. I know it ain't waterproof. First thing about it, I ain't even trying to speed up. All this wind and speed right here on that hill. That steep hill back there. You know what? Yeah. I still can't see. I need some wipers. I need windshield wipers. That's a nice narrow. 012. Back where I know it is. Like, front top of mud in my mouth. Yeah, that's what I can do. Ooh, that brake slide, boy. Ooh, that brake slide. They don't even feel like four pistons no more. Oh my goodness. Oh, do the super. The Asian dude, yep, there you go. They done nice. That Lexus. Woo! That thing's sexy. Come on now, your little Volkswagen. In a van. Never seen one of those before. Oh, the Volkswagen van. Oh, that's been why it's wet. Ain't raining? Let me try. If I fall, like the video if I fall now. Oh, nah. Had to do it real slow. Oh yeah. Walk it out. Ah! The rain! Ah! Y'all see me? Told you. Tint dark, but I still can see you, baby. Look both ways now. You have cyclists out here on the road. Oh yeah, talk to me. Alright. Just left the shop. Oh, excuse me. Got dog. Just left the shop, you feel me? Gonna go home and put that bad boy on that bad boy. Until I get done rapping it. Aha! Until I get done what? Never mind, exclusive. I'm not rapping nobody. What are you talking about? What? Hey, but look though. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You feel me? Really subscribe first. I just want y'all to like the video, so you know what I'm saying? My content can get out there a little bit more to other Fight Life viewers. You feel me? Cause yeah, boy, I need it. Please and thank you, like, comment, and subscribe. Please and thank you, like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, please and thank you, like, comment, and subscribe. Please, thank you, like, comment, and subscribe. Oh yeah? Oh, the big boy here. With the wheel? Nah, a little too steep. Way too steep. Psych. My boy smoking a stank cigarette, boy. Cigarette funker than the mug. Whew. Shout out to all you people who smoke. Please don't smoke cigarettes. I'm not saying I encourage smoking, but cigarettes is most definitely not the move. They stink and they kill you. That's your little 1WK tip of the day. Oh, okay, she jigging. She jigging. Hey, hold on, I'm gonna turn on my pause. I'm trying to be like her. She ain't no jug, and she just jigging for real. She happy. She must got something early or something. What's up with you? Oh, it's time she felt. I want to turn around. All right, but I'm turning around. Well, she's still feeling it. Oh man, my girl supposed to be working out. She jigging. Don't worry about it. Literally, I'm gonna get me a little motor on that bad boy. Psych. I'm getting dirt bike though. That bell ball's open and knocked over. That's tough. My boy floating with the Altima a bit. Ain't gonna lie. That accident hit my knee. That bit hurt, boy. Gotta put that bit down. That bit put a little, dang, that bit hurt, boy. That one nice, Screek. Oh, you good. Dang, my G. Use your gears. You're on a mountain bike. Use your gears. You're going downhill, pedaling faster than the mud. I know I already said this. I'm saying it again. Please like, comment if you feel like it, and subscribe. Feel me? I'm trying to get up there with the big boys, top dogs. But you know, your boy be busy, so I can't really post as much. My GoPros, I don't know what the thing was doing. That like I ain't want to work though. I got it though. You know what I'm saying? We charged up today. Make a little video for y'all real quick, like. It's raining again. God, dog. I just had to wait on the rain, man. You know, that's the name of this video. Caught in the rain. Who's calling me? Hello? Oh, man. All right. Student loans. You're lying to me. It's up. Sound good. I ain't gonna, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna hold you. Slide. Squirrel eating a fly. No, man. No, man. Let your hair go, man. No, man. Oh. Oh. Him don't fall. No, I'm playing. I'm gonna drop it because my arm getting tired. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Oh shit, boy, it's getting down. It's getting up and through there. Oh, oh, it's getting up and through there. Catch out. Catch out. Catch out. Catch out. Oh. Slide. Slide. Get busted in your ear. Once again, I want YOLO. Get home, about to charge up on it. Slide. 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 That's what's up there. Nobody won't let me. Scoot on. Oh, slide. 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 Slide.